For the last 2 weeks, I've been out of town for the holidays, so I didn't get to do much VR. But yesterday, I finally put on my headset after weeks away, and I gotta say, VR is wild, bro.
Oh, I can see through the sword.
Many of you watching this may have just found this out for yourself for the first time because you just got VR for Christmas, and so you're just now experiencing VR for the first time. But after a while of playing VR, if you play enough, the novelty of VR starts to wear off because VR starts to become sort of like, reality, except virtual and shittier. But sometimes you just gotta sit back and really appreciate how immersive and realistic VR can be, because VR is just amazing. But not the metaverse, because the metaverse doesn't actually exist yet, unless you think this counts as the metaverse.
Come on, Facebook, you already have all of my data, just log me in.
Now, I know everyone and their dog is talking about the metaverse right now, but if your metaverse doesn't have Skyrim taverns and spell casting, I don't want anything to do with it.
Some nice cheese here. Would be a shame if somebody were to.
I'm perfectly happy sitting here in my own private metaverse where we have legs, also known as Skyrim, with 476 mods installed.
Oh no, there's an invisible barrier not allowing me to go forward. How realistic.
I could sit in Skyrim and cast spells with the Spell Siphon mod for hours because that's how satisfying it is. Like, you're not just pressing buttons like in a video game, you're actually living this life. You are actually living as a Skyrim character. You're not a narcissist. Everyone around you actually is an NPC. There's just something about seeing the world with realistic depth and interacting it with your real hands that normal video games, or hell, even movies and books, can't beat. Some people say gaming is the epitome of all art forms because it's a culmination of art, music, storytelling, etc., all put together in an interactive and engaging way. Well, VR is the epitome of gaming in my opinion, which makes VR gaming the epitome of all art. And if VR gaming is the epitome of all art and modded Skyrim is the best VR game out there, then that means Skyrim VR is the epitome of all art and the secret to happiness in this life and in the next. No, but really, VR is an amazing and beautiful thing, whether you're playing a fully modded Skyrim with an RTX 3090, or if you're chasing anime girls with an XR2 mobile processor.
Wait, are those clams? Those are bigger than your mom's.
And I just wanted to take a moment to really appreciate that. Really appreciate how much effort goes into making a good VR experience. So if you're a VR dev, I just want to say thank you. You're doing the good work and you're building the real metaverse. Keep making it possible for me to date fake anime girls in VR.
Oh, I like it very much.
Holy cow, look at those high quality textures. They say only about 10% of the iceberg is visible above water in real life, so if you want to tell if Skyrim is realistic or not, just check Skyrim icebergs. This is what I want the Matrix to be like. Like, forget all that green looking code and dreary cyberpunk-esque, like, whatever the Matrix is. This is what I want. Dreary ice.